Happy Wednesday, everyone. I am Sloane Glass. Welcome to the Sloane Series. Take a second, make sure that you are subscribed. It is all about skincare. I am going to talk to you guys about a device that I have been using for a while now, and I finally get to share it because I feel like now is the appropriate time. I've been using it for long enough that I can really dive into it, show you how I use it nightly. That's why I'm in my pajamas, because I use it at night. Don't mind the dog hair, that's his fault. What's been really important for me is the ease, the instant results, the fact that it is FDA cleared, and that there is zero discomfort when I'm using it. I love that it looks like a little alien potato. You guys have probably only seen the NuFace device in the white color, but QVC has 3 exclusive colors: this plush pink, a seafoam, and a platinum. So before I started filming this, I let everyone know on my Instagram, Sloane QVC, that I would be using the NuFace device. I do that before I film so that way you guys can ask me any questions about what I'll be filming and I can answer them in the video. So make sure that you are following me on Instagram so that way you never miss what the topic is going to be for the next Sloane series. The Trinity comes with this great silky pouch, perfect for traveling, and I put both my attachments in it as well as the eye cream and my leave-on gel. And because this is the Trinity device, this head pops off very easily and you can just snap on the eye and lip attachment. I've done a lot of tutorials where I talk to you guys about contouring and helping to use makeup to provide more of a tone look to the face. So to find a device that is FDA cleared to help improve tone and contour to the face without makeup, without any trickery, but just by sticking to a routine using the device, because that's the ultimate goal, right? To take off your makeup and still feel really good, contoured, toned, everything that we want to achieve when we have makeup on. You really get to dictate your own NuFace schedule to see immediate and long-term results. In the beginning, you are going to want to use this nightly for 5 minutes for 60 days. I just sit at night, I'll walk you guys through exactly how I use it. And then after that, it's maintenance, it's upkeep, it's really when you remember and you're excited to use it. I first heard about the NuFace as the 5-minute facelift, and I was not looking for a facelift. I was not in the market for it, but I did want tone, I did want contour, everything that I was looking for in makeup, everything that I was looking for in my skincare. The NuFace stimulates your skin using gentle microcurrents. It's like when you're going to the gym and you're doing a lot of sit-ups or whatever it is that you're doing at the gym, and it helps with the muscles in your body. This is doing that for your face. On totally clean, dry skin, you are not going to undo up any oils, anything on it. You are going to apply the leave-on gel primer. So I'm going to start with one side of my face to show you guys. I'll pick the right side. And there's hyaluronic acid in the primer. It's hydrating. Leave it on afterwards. You don't even have to wash it off. It's skincare. So you just do this as part of your step in your routine. Basically, put enough on to make sure your face is wet. And with the purchase of the Trinity device, you get enough gel to last you a full year. You have to use the gel with the device. The gel is the conductor, so the device won't work without it. But it feels really, really good. I just follow the natural contours of my face. So you don't hold it until it beeps, you let the beep pace you. It's okay if you're a little off. I'm always a little bit off. But you get used to it. I'm always a little slow because I love doing it, so I'm always a little behind. I'm just following the natural contour of my face. It's incredibly gentle. I don't feel anything except for the pressure of my own hand. So I'm just slowly gliding the entire time. And I do 3 times for each area. I love that it's gentle enough that I can go right under my eyes too. A more advanced technique is to hold it right under your jawline contour and just hold for the beeps. I learned this by downloading the NuFace app. Their app is absolutely incredible. You can use it to set a timer on your phone, so that way it alerts you at night to use your NuFace app. You don't have to do that. And then it also shows you different techniques. So I put in, I want more of a jawline contour, or I want more of an eyebrow lift, and it shows you different ways to do it with pictures and videos. It's great. But you really just become a natural at it after a couple uses. I could just do this and sit here, and it's so easy. It's so nice because you know me. I love my face masks. They can be a bit messy. You could do this absolutely. There's nothing to it. You're just moving your hand. 5 minutes is all that it takes. Now, if you want to do it for longer, that's incredible. But you don't have to. Wow. I'm applying more gel because the gel is how it works. So if I feel like I need more, I just put more on. With the amount that they give you, I have no fear of running out. I like to really concentrate around the jawline too, because I want a good lift and contour there. It also feels really good. It's like giving yourself a little massage. I think about it the same way in Pilates, how they say it's the little movements. It's like Pilates for my face. I'm a little careless about it. I'm just moving the device around my forehead. You don't have to map things out so carefully. You know your face. There's no need after using it a few times to be looking in a mirror. There's a comfort in using something that's FDA cleared and that doesn't have any pain. Beauty does not need to be painful. I don't know who said beauty is pain, but it shouldn't be. So now I'm going to switch to my eyes, lips, brow attachment, my mini guy. So just to give you guys a visual, this is how much gel I'm applying for a new area. Around smile lines, forehead, and under my brow bone. I'm going to show you the technique that I used there. So, and I'll do it in my 11s too. See, I get so excited about this because I think that this attachment is so cool. So I turn it on. Okay. So for my brow, I lift just like this, and then I just move over a tiny bit. The reason why I love this attachment so much is the first time that I did this device at home, I walked out of the bedroom and, oh my gosh, I have to sneeze. And my fiance said to me, oh my gosh, that actually worked. You look so good. And I was like, are you just saying that because I told you I was using this? He was like, no, your eyes look beautiful and large. See, this is just nice for targeted areas. With the other attachment, I can get just as close, but with this one, I can use my hands to provide more of a physical lift. Now, I'm an avid NuFace user. This is not my first time with the device, but just using it on the right side, not touching my left side, and using it for about 5 minutes, I see an instant contour tone right over here, my jawline, my brow bone, everything just feels really good. I love that it's non-invasive, it's toning from the inside out. I look like me, just a tiny bit better. It's like, did she do something? No, just sitting on my couch in my pajamas. I'm really excited that I got to show you guys this device. I've been using it for a while before I shared it. That's really important to me. The direction from NuFace is to use the device for 5 minutes a day, 5 times a week for the first 60 days. I say every day for the first 60 days because it's just easy for me to keep track if I just think every day rather than 5 days a week, but it's up to you and your schedule. It is also approved for your neck. I have not explored using it on my neck just because I am a little too lazy to be doing that, and right now I am concentrating on my face, but it's incredible that you can use it on multiple areas. I hope I answered all your questions. Anything that could have possibly gone through your head about the NuFace device. It's super simple once you get it home with you. But if you have any others, leave them in the comments and I will go through, answer all of them. And you guys are totally hooked up because you can get rewarded for talking about the products that I talk about in my videos and sharing them on your social platforms. So learn about the Q Crew by clicking below and joining that community. All right, I'm going to lift the left side of my face so I don't look totally lopsided. And I will see you guys next Wednesday on the Sloane Series.